The DOE has recently updated the Assessor Calculator to include default values for exterior wall insulation levels for wood-framed homes. We have integrated this function into the Home Energy Score app to make it quick and easy to enter an appropriate R value. These default values are based on the age of the home, the region the home is in, and the type of framing, either 2x4 or 2x6. The app will already know the age of the home and region by the information you have completed in the Order Info tab. For any wood-framed home, simply tap the Wall Insulation Level R Value button to reveal the framing options. Select the type of framing for the home being assessed, either 2x4 or 2x6, and the app will automatically place the appropriate DOE default R value into your data entry.